Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another video. This is not part of Titans, as you can see. This is Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Now, I have to admit, I haven't played this before. I literally just downloaded it. So we're gonna see how it goes. If you fancy, leave a like and subscribe. That would be great. And yeah, I hope you enjoy. Oh, I don't know what this means. Let's just go with both.
The family now. It's up to you to secure the property and stop victims from escaping. The family's way of life depends on it. Keep all doors locked and make sure all exits are closed, trapped, or guarded. Make sure to monitor crucial pieces of equipment like generators, the fuse box, and the water valve pump. The status of these items...
Yeah, we'll figure out as we go. It's fine. So I wonder if this is gonna be like what's that game called? I forgot the name. Bloody hell. Yeah, I don't know. Okay. Right. Oh, is that me? I'm the old guy. What do I do? Oh, I can choose my guy, right? Cook, Leatherface, Johnny, or Sissy. Let's go. I guess Leatherface, right? Oh, someone's playing as that. Okay. Oh, okay. I'll play as Johnny then. I don't have a loadout. Sick. Okay. Alright, cool. We'll see how this goes. I am playing as Johnny. Hey, here's Johnny. That was a bad reenaction of that. But anyway. Okay, we're starting in 15 seconds. Let's do this. I am going to be a pro at this. I can already tell I'm just so good at games. I don't know if you could tell from my previous videos, but I'm just so good at them, you know? And I'm going to prove that right. I'm going to prove that correct, and you're going to see excellent gameplay. Leatherface required to start. Okay, I'll be Leatherface.
The search continues in Huerto County for a missing...
Is that an armadillo? The hell?
Says Maria Flores, a native of Uvalde, was last seen near the town of Newton.
Field Grandpa Hunt, collect blood from victims. Oh, Jesus. Oh, no. Oh, my. Yeah, get up there. There you go. It's fine. Doesn't hurt. Relax. Stop being a baby. Oh, Lord. Oh, Jesus. That was a bit brutal. Okay. RB's a turn on my... That's to switch things. So do I go out of here? Okay. Where's up on the D-pad? Oh, it shows where Grandpa is. I can't sprint. Oh, wait, I can go in here. Latch or open. Can I go through that? I don't think so. Start chainsaw to destroy. Y to destroy. Okay. Oh, I gotta hold it. Victim noise has awakened Grandpa. I'm not sure. I'm not exactly sure where I need to go or what I need to do. Maybe I need to go to Grandpa? Let's go to Grandpa. Grandpa! Unlock and open. Okay. Can I go up the ladder? What the hell? Oh, that's noise. Okay. That makes sense. Oh, I hear someone above. I don't know what. Do I just wait for them? What do I do? Okay. Door latched. So did someone latch that then? We can take care of that latch. Oh yeah, we gotta hold it. Can I go under here? I don't think I can crouch. Collect blood. Blood collected. Okay, sick. I collected blood. Let's go. Should I have my chainsaw on? Oh, no. Just a bit of dirt. Is this where I live? I love what I've done with the place. Anyone in here? No. Would have been too easy. Collect blood. Okay. Escape from family. So what am I meant to be doing? I can't even run. Are you in here? No. Hello. Why am I yelling? How do you do, sir? You okay? Turn on. Oh, you're a light. That's a... What do I do with you? Feed Grandpa. There you go, Grandpa. Taste that lovely, lovely juice. Victims escaped. Hunt down final victim. I hear running. I don't know what I'm meant to be doing. Let's lock that. Grandpa, are you okay? Oh! Come here, boy. Where you at? That's my guy, right? Oh no. Is that my guy? Can I guess you're my guy. Hunt is over. I had no idea what I was doing. Oh, I'm a victim now. Okay, cool. Right. Toughness, stealth. I think stealth is gonna be important, right? She's got a lot of stealth. Let's go with her. Oh, but she hasn't got much strength though. Oh no. He's got a lot of strength, but not a lot of stealth. I guess we're gonna go with. Oh, I don't know. We'll go with her because we want stealth. I think. You can create. I don't care. Stay quiet and hidden. Find the useful items. Unlock exits and then run. Escape the family. Yeah. Okay, so we need to find a bunch of shit. Okay, cool. Why am I hanging? So we don't want to make the noise too high, right? Or do we just want to go straight away?
Where am I?
Oh god. Yeah, let's just do it because we're already. Come on. Yeah! Lift up! There we go. Nice one.
What the hell's going on? Oh god.
That's a good question.
Oh god. Connie! You're still alive.
Right, so we're gonna go. Can we run?
Good.
Health.
This'll help.
Oh yeah. Oh shit, you scared the fuck out of me. Oh, so she's running around. What's this? What does that mean? What does that mean? What does that mean? Does that mean they're close?
Okay. You will, Julie.
I don't know what that means. We're just gonna go for it.
You're here.
I hear the chainsaw. Unlock tool collected. Okay. That's a good question. What do we do with this? Alright, let's go where she went. I don't know what my RV does. Oh god. Can he sense me? Run! Run! Oh god. Victim noise has awakened grandpa. I still don't know what that means, but okay. Keep still to avoid detection by grandpa. Okay. Oh god! Oh god! Oh god! Run! No! Okay. No. Oh god! Oh god! Oh god! No! Run! You can't catch me. I'm too fast. Close the door. Okay, okay, we've run. Oh god, I think they're getting close. Okay, so we know that there's 2 downstairs. Ah, that's nice. Look at this garden. What am I meant to be doing? I don't know.
What's this?
Retrieve bone scrap. I guess, okay.
Don't think about it.
Bone scrap collected. Sweet. I don't know what that is, but hell yeah. Oh, we can cut them down. That's what it does. Oh, okay. Oh, and that's a trap. So we need to find fuses, right?
Oh, Anna! Shortcut? Anna, you're alive!
Is she?
You can do this. Think.
Is there like a time limit? I don't know. Or is it just until if we don't escape before they kill us, you know? Oh god. Oh god, that sounded brutal.
This will be useful.
I don't know. Swap health. Okay. What is it? What does my RB do? Ability's already active. I don't know what it does though. I should have probably read it. What is that noise? Ah. Oh god. Oh god. Okay. Just keep low. Keep be very sneaky. Keep still to avoid detection by grandpa. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. No, leave me alone. Oh. My health is low, so can we... Oh, we have to hold it. Hey! Hello! Don't mind me. I'm just, trying to find stuff. Okay, I'm kind of confused, but... Is it actually him? Let's go investigate. Or is that just a poor... It's just a poor guy. Damn. You got fucked up. Must suck to be you, I guess. Jesus. What's that do? Open valve. I'm gonna die. That means they're close, right? Oh, I'm just gonna stick with it. I really don't know where I'm supposed to be going. Exit. Pressure gate exit opened. Okay, there. Okay, there. Okay. Oh, God. Oh, God. Don't look here. 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 Alright, well, we have to move, so... Wait for Grandpa to shut his mouth. Jesus Christ. Calm down, mate. Leave me be. I'm so confused.
It's too quiet. I don't like this. Somebody help me.
Oh, fuck me, Jesus, fuck. Oh my God, that scared me. Holy shit. Holy shit. Jesus Christ. Oh my God. Oh, I'm sweating like a mofo. There's nowhere to hide. Grandpa at maximum. Okay, so I have to just run. Well, I don't know what to do, guys. I don't know what to do.
They have to be around here
Health
somewhere.
flow. I'm dead. No! Oh my Lord. Jesus Christ. That was... Jesus. That scared the hell out of me, man. Oh my God. I'll be this person. Someone else can be Leatherface. I am not being Leatherface. You know what? Fine. I'll be Leatherface. You selfish bastard. Yeah, just get up on there. Ugh, there you go. Yeah, does that feel good? Yeah, gives you a little back and scratch. Here, let me just open you up a little bit. There you go. Very nice. Oh God. What, do I have to use... Oh, is that Johnny? Wait. I don't even know what's going on anymore. Come here, boy. Hey, man. Come here, boy. Where'd you go? Come here, boy. Oh God, I'm stunned. Okay. Hey, man. He's just teabagging, man. How much? Yeah. How's that feel, bitch? Teabagging me? What? What? That's what I thought. Idiot. Hmm. Hold to collect blood. Blood collected. What does that do? Thrust. Oh, you can thrust through the gaps. Okay. Alright, let me just turn this off. Alright, you look after that. I'm gonna go feed Grandpa wherever Grandpa is. Grandpa's in here. Sounds like an idiot, bro. Victim escaped. Hunt down final victim. Victim escaped. Okay. Let's be him, I guess. I don't know why we should be him, but we're gonna be him. Okay? Okay. Ready up, you selfish bit. Now you ready up. Sick. Thanks. Oh, okay. I'm upside down. The blood is rushing to my head.
Stay calm, Lana. You can do this.
Alright, we got this, Lana. We got this.
I should keep this.
Can't catch me. I am the gingerbread man.
Better get moving.
What? Close the door. Can I hide behind here? Oh crap, he's burrowing through it. Oh crap. Oh god, I don't know where to go. Let's go here. We can easily escape him. Close that behind us. Let's latch it. There you go. Haha, bitch. Okay, okay. Remember, we haven't got unlimited time, so we have to be kind of quick.
Just go away. Damn it. They won't leave.
Ah.
Gotta keep moving.
Did he even see me? I don't even think he saw me. What an idiot!
Gotta get out of here.
Okay. Okay. There was a little
Connie.
thing here.
Oh my god. We gotta move.
It's open.
Oh! Hi! I'm here.
Too bad Grandpa ain't able. Best there ever was.
Okay, we'll follow her, I guess. I don't know where she went, but she's there. Hi. I'll heal you. Come here. I'll heal you. No, come here, you bitch.
Let that thing come back.
Grandpa immobilized. Okay. Oh crap! Oh crap! Go. Can't get you, bitch. Get wrecked.
Whoever had hinges, it's good. Come here,
Are they really gone?
Oh, just go. Just go. Just go. Okay, cool. Get wrecked, idiot. I'm so good at this game. Okay, so there was a valve. Just gotta remember where it was. It's out here somewhere. Yeah. Oh, so I've got a valve. Okay, okay, now let's go back to that place.
Just keep your head clear.
Attach handle.
You can do this.
Open valve. Okay, easy, easy. Oh, there. I can escape. I can escape. Yes, let's go. Okay, I'm so good at this game. You see that shit? I escaped, baby. Let's go. I had no idea what I was doing the entire time, but I'm so glad I escaped. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like and subscribe if you fancy, and I will catch you in the next one. Yeah, baby. Peace.